everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Tanu Singh and I am back again with Nature Essence facial kit. So today I have glowing gold facial kit, so I'm going to try this out, and I have to follow the 4 steps along with a pre-facial prep step. So let's begin. Clean your face. Yeah, back everyone. I'm done with my facial and let's review this out together. So there's a glow on my face, no doubt. The skin is soft as it removes the dead skin and that gives a clear and toned skin, so that's good. Coming to the Nature Essence facial kit, if you don't want to go to the parlor, you can absolutely go for this kit and you can save a lot of money. It is very cost effective and there's a detan cream free with this, so it will help in removing the tanning. So overall it is a good product. Thank you everyone. See you soon. Bye bye.